1,681 Wisconsinites have lost the battle against this virus.
Coming off his state's highest single-day coronavirus death count, Wisconsin's governor says he's saddened to announce that this facility is taking in its first patients, a field hospital for overflow patients at a state fair park near Milwaukee.
Make no mistake about this. This is an urgent crisis.
The surge in cases in Wisconsin is overwhelming health officials in the state's second most populous county.
Right now, we cannot keep up. With this sustained rise in cases, we cannot quickly contact trace cases and let the people they came in contact with know that they should quarantine. We are struggling with the constant and unending rise in cases, just as everyone else in the state is.
Wisconsin is one of 31 states where the reporting of new daily coronavirus cases is still going up. Only one state, Hawaii, has cases on the decline. Hospitalizations are on the rise, with around 40,000 reported across the U.S. on Wednesday. And deaths are climbing. Yesterday, with more than 1,100, America reported its highest number of deaths in one day in more than a month.
We're gathering inside and doing more to promote these numbers, and it's only October. It really worries me to think about where we are going to be in December and January in this country.
This comes as an ally of President Trump's. Former New Jersey Governor Chris Christie issued a sobering admission. In an op-ed in the Wall Street Journal, Christie, who spent a week in the ICU after contracting COVID, wrote that he let his guard down when he helped the president with debate prep and attended the Amy Coney Barrett nomination ceremony at the White House without wearing a mask either time. Quote, "Wear it or you may regret it, as I did." Meantime, a team of disaster preparedness experts at Columbia University is skewering President Trump in a new report, which says the administration's uneven response to the pandemic has led to between 130,000 and 210,000 deaths, which could have been prevented.
The president never took this seriously from the first day, lied repeatedly to the public, acted as if something as straightforward as wearing a face mask was some act of betrayal, and never communicated honestly or with the information being provided by our wonderful, knowledgeable public health community in this country.
Jeffrey Sachs of Columbia University also accuses the president of, quote, beating down the Centers for Disease Control, having what he calls political hacks oversee the CDC and preventing the professionals at the agency from speaking freely. The president, of course, has always defended his handling of the pandemic, saying recently that with the treatments his administration has advanced, they've actually been able to reduce, in his mind, the fatality rate since April. And he said recently that the country is, quote, turning a corner. Wolf.